Most guys don't realize they're making these mistakes, but they completely change how you look. If you fix these, your outfit will instantly look sharper. And although these are small details, they'll make the biggest difference and turn your outfit from sloppy to clean in just seconds. The first one is dirty or scuffed shoes. This will ruin your outfit instantly. People notice your shoes first, even before your outfit. Wipe them down regularly and use polish for leather, or even wipes for a quick clean. This is a really obvious one that people miss, but for our second mistake, we're going with pants that are too long. Now, if your pants are too long, the whole outfit is just going to look off. See all this stacking? It hides your shoes and throws off your proportions. It makes you look shorter and less put together. You want a slight break, just touching the shoes. A clean length makes your outfit instantly sharper. How something fits is everything. And this is one of those mistakes that a lot of people get wrong. Because if your clothes don't fit, the outfit is going to look bad. Too baggy looks sloppy, and too tight looks uncomfortable. How the clothes fit is the foundation of your entire outfit. Go for a clean, natural fit. Not oversized, not too tight. I'm not saying you should never go oversized. I'm saying you should keep everything relatively in proportion. Because if you don't, then that's when things just start to look off. Another crucial mistake people make is overfilling their pockets. When you have oversized or bulky pockets, it makes your outfit look sloppy. This alone will make your outfit look bulky and unintentional. You can easily fix this though, just by carrying less or carrying a slim wallet with you which has sections to put stuff like cards and even your identification in. If you really need to, go ahead and use a small bag, but whatever you do, don't overfill your pockets because it makes you look sloppy. The fifth mistake people make is choosing the wrong shoes for the outfit. These shoes right here do not match this outfit. Sporty shoes with a clean outfit just throws the whole thing off. If you're going for a smart look, then stick to boots or loafers. Because with the right shoes, everything works. Comment below which mistake you thought was the worst out of all of them. I would love to hear your thoughts down below. But until next time, stay stylish, guys.